Hey guys, what is up? Oops, sorry. This is Joshua 173. Also XX Killer XX 1390,000,1100. I forget my name. What is it?
923.
Oh. It looks so weird.
You can climb through.
Oh
Man.
my goodness, they're not supporting anything.
It's a little better, maybe? Does that help?
No.
It doesn't help. Well, it looks different, to say the least.
Oh my goodness.
They're awesome. Don't judge.
I won't judge. I just make fun of it.
Is that a chicken down there? What was it? Which
It's
have
just
animal?
not the same.
It is a chicken. I found a chicken.
A chicken.
I'll try not to kill it.
Why?
Lay an egg. I'm just gonna keep it in there and then come back.
Let's make a chicken farm.
Let's wait for. I'll wait for it to lay some eggs.
I'm gonna make a chicken farm right now.
With what? What egg? Do you have any eggs?
I'm gonna bring that chicken up here.
You're gonna make a lead? How are you gonna make a lead? Just keep him here. Let him lay.
You spawn with the lead.
Oh yeah, huh, with the horse thing and stuff.
It's not even. There. Oh yeah, this is on the Philia server at Corbacraft. Play.corbacraftmc. .mc is the IP address. If you would like to check it out, our other thingamabobbers, other videos, we have a skyblock, which is going on pretty well.
Yeah.
Check it out in the link in the description below. What?
What?
Oh, so shoot, I can't talk about movies.
And why is that?
Can I?
Why not?
Anyway, I was watching Expelled the other day. Oh my goodness, that is the meaning of my life.
The movie.
I'm not joking. That's how my life is gonna end up.
What's it? Oh, Oh, that I've seen that movie. I've seen the not the movie. I've just seen the trailer. Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
It seems stupid.
It is stupid, but it's so hilarious. That is the anthem of my life. I'm not joking.
What's it? Oh, you're just keeping it going. I see.
Yeah, it's gonna be a shop right here.
Okay.
Then I'm going to have the other stuff. So a chicken farm right here. We've been doing some work, holy cow.
Hey, that looks nice. Let me get rid of those. I suppose, should I put fences? Let's see how this looks. Might as well. But makes it look a little nicer, I guess.
Not bad. I like it.
I like it a lot. Oh, oh wow, that looks so cool.
Yeah, it does.
Hey, nice.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna screenshot this. What is it? F2? F2.
what are you screenshotting? Oh, my bridge or just everything?
Everything. Yep.
Oh yeah, I'll do like I'm doing on the other server. Just keep taking screenshots, like once every so often, and then
Yeah,
slowly grow and grow and grow. Start with this.
it's perfect. Sydney's still up too?
Yes.
Wow. What is he doing?
Hunger Games.
Are you serious?
Of course.
He's still doing Hunger Games? That's what he does all day?
Well, he got off.
For
Like,
what, 2 minutes?
no, he was on his phone for like an hour. Jungle leaves. These look a lot different, actually. No, never mind. Just on that. Okay, let's see.
Alright, so I will set up the chicken platform.
Oh, let me see if my little baby laid an egg. Oh, there's 2 little babies. This one did lay an egg. I'm gonna push you with the other one in this place where you can't escape. Have fun. You two don't get into any trouble. I got 2 eggs.
Okay, just put them in my chest.
No, my
Or
chest.
put them in your chest, whatever.
I don't care. Let's put them away.
Yeah, put them away somewhere. So, do you want it... Actually, never mind. Why should I ask you?
Doesn't matter. You can do it however you want.
We do have another world on Lothar, which is the other server, the newer server to this. So, or is Philia newer? I'm not
I don't.
sure. But anyway,
It's another survival world just like
yeah.
this.
If you want us to show you that,
It's a big town.
yeah, we're mostly done with it. But if you want us to do
A video.
a video on it, just write it down in the comments below.
Let's see.
Let's see this here. One more.
So I need fences. Lots of fences. I need wood. I'm gonna have to go get some more.
It's only gonna be a small chicken farm.
Yeah.
And egg farm. Like I have on the other server. Do you know what Win said when I had it?
The chicken farm? She
Yeah.
didn't. She want you to. Someone want you to make another one for that?
Yeah. She actually said, oh, she loved it. She never seen one before. Of that style.
It's actually easy, really simple.
It's really easy. And I did see it on YouTube before. And I'm like, holy cow. So I go in chat. Oh, my chicken farm is Win certified. Yeah, because it doesn't cause lag. It is very efficient. It's quite interesting. Alright, I'll make the water go right there.
Should be good.
I hope this is enough space for it. Maybe. Maybe not. Those are definitely not even. 1, 2, 3. Starts right there. Yeah. Starts on that block. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. There we go. Alright. Feed horses wheat. You feed wheat. Wheat.
Wheat.
Okay. Alright, let me get supplies here. Not that one, that one. Wow, and that has been episode 4. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next one.